Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a firmware update on Philips 4000i air purifier. The firmware updates usually install automatically, but if you want to install it now, in the app, find the firmware update. This option will show here only if the update is available. So if it is available, you can just click on how to update and it will tell you how to do it. But I'm also gonna tell you that. So if you don't want to wait until it installs automatically, you can install it now by first unplugging your device from the power. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now I have unplugged it, and you need to wait for about 30 seconds, maybe more, to be extra sure. So let's wait now. Okay, now it's been half a minute, so I can just plug the device back in. And after I plugged it in, it should start installing the update automatically. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.